Every single day, it felt like I was running on a treadmill that was going nowhere. You know the feeling? That constant gnawing worry about money. Checking your bank balance, dreading what you'll see. Working harder, longer, only to feel like the finish line keeps moving further away. I was trapped in a cycle of just enough. Never thriving, always surviving. And the worst part? Watching others seemingly effortlessly achieve what felt impossible for me. I tried everything. Every online course, every get-rich-quick scheme that promised the world but delivered nothing but empty pockets and even more frustration. The internet was a minefield of conflicting advice, and I felt utterly alone, trying to navigate this complex financial world. Forex trading always fascinated me. The idea of leveraging global markets for real wealth, but it felt like a secret club I wasn't invited to. Too risky, too complicated, too much jargon. I was on the verge of giving up, resigning myself to a life of mediocrity. Then a friend, someone I trusted, mentioned a community. A place where real people, not just gurus, were actually sharing their wins, their strategies, and their support. It was Intel Pip's Telegram channel. At first, I was skeptical. Another promise, another potential disappointment. But something felt different. The energy was authentic. The conversations were genuine. It wasn't about flashy cars and mansions. It was about consistent, sustainable growth. It was about shared knowledge, about lifting each other up. It was a whisper of opportunity in the deafening noise of my financial struggle, a real path emerging from the fog. Joining that Telegram community wasn't just about getting signals or tips. It was about gaining clarity. It was about understanding why certain trades worked and how to manage risk effectively. The daily insights, the live discussions, the shared analyses. It was like having a team of seasoned traders guiding me every single step of the way. I wasn't guessing anymore. I was making informed decisions. I started small, of course, but the consistency was undeniable. Those small, consistent wins began to compound. The anxiety that had once consumed me started to dissipate, replaced by a quiet confidence. I remember the first time I saw a significant profit that wasn't just a fluke. It was a direct result of the knowledge and support I gained from the community. It wasn't just about the money. It was about the freedom. The freedom to say yes to opportunities I once had to decline. The freedom to pursue passions, to travel, to simply breathe easier, knowing my financial future was finally in my hands. This community became my secret weapon, my unfair advantage in the Forex market. It's where I learned to turn uncertainty into opportunity and fear into focused action. We celebrate each other's successes, learn from each other's experiences, and push each other to new heights. This isn't just trading. It's building a life of financial wins, together. If you're tired of the struggle, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, then it's time to join us. Your journey to consistent wins and true financial freedom starts right now. Don't just watch. Become part of the success story. Click the link, join our Telegram community, and let's start winning together.